Hi, I want to talk to you guys about my new e-bike, right? Which is the Sdream Ur first class e-bike, right? Now, this is a new e-bike that I decided to buy mainly for deliveries, mainly to travel from point A to point B because it's lightweight, waterproof, has suspension, it lasts 50 miles, and goes up to 25 miles per hour, right? Plus, again, lightweight, which is about 40 pounds, which is great. Great e-bike you should buy for deliveries. You want to order for Uber Eats, Grubhub, DoorDash, anything, right? Now check my link below. I have a link for DoorDash. I'll give you an extra 400 plus more. So check out that video, subscribe, and if you want to buy this bike at the end of the video, please check it out because it's great and I'll get money for it, right? So I have a referral link for that too. Now this one I got it from Indiegogo. You guys know Indiegogo is where Segway came out. Items and products come to this website before it comes to the market, so you'll be able to get it for a cheaper price. This company is called the S-Stream. It's coming from Los Angeles. It's called the S-Stream UR Comfy Suspension Folding e-bike, right? It's a great bike. It folds. It has suspension. Again, it's waterproof. It's lightweight, and it comes with 4 different colors, right? You can accessorize with a rear rack, fenders, and phone mount, and whatever you want, right? Again, it folds. You put it in your trunk. You put it inside your car. It's great. That's what I got it. You can change the battery. It comes in black and red, black and blue, all black, and all red. All right. I got the black and blue. I thought it was the best one for my fit throughout the whole city. That's the one I'm gonna be riding. So if you see me again, say hi, subscribe to my channel. Donate. Buy my click on my referral links. I'll get money for it. You support my channel, and I can show you more guys. You guys more tech and more items to make money, to make more videos to make more money for you, your family right now during this pandemic. Right. Great. So again, there's a small video right there. You can look at it on the website. I'll show you guys at the end of this video. Again, it's a great bike. It comes with 3 different styles of bikes, which is 250 light. It comes with the 500X, which is the one I got, and it comes with the 250X. Right now, the 250X is actually run out. It just sold out. It might come back in stock. Right now, we do have some bikes in stock in LA, so check it out. All right. If you guys want to get one, again, it's already in stock. You don't have to wait for shipping. I had to wait. I actually bought this bike last December. I had to wait till now, till probably like last week to actually receive my bike, right? Because the whole pandemic and whole shipping process got delayed. Now I got the 500-watt brushless motor. It comes with a 36-volt line battery, 7-speed Shimano hydraulic disc brakes. It comes with rear suspension, single-sided fork, grippy tires, and Shimano torque sensor. Right. It's also an easy foldable. Again, it's great. 3 different styles of bikes. The 250 X, I think it's sold out. There's a version you can buy it in Europe, which will give you the speed limit. I think it's up to 15 miles per hour. But the one in the US, there's no speed limit. 500X goes up to 20 miles per hour, even 25 miles per hour with your pedaling efforts. And the 250 Lite, it's a little bit less, right? 24 miles per hour. About 15 miles per hour, and I think something like that, right? So check it out. It has some specs right here. Again, you can fold it, put it inside the Metro train or Metro bus. It's great. You don't have to hassle with it. There's a suspension right there. You won't feel no bumpy roads. You can go out there, climb down the stairs. It seems great. The video seems great. I can't wait to ride it again. I'll show you videos about that. That's the suspension. I'll make a video about unboxing and make a video about riding it. So check it out. That's a hub motor, and it shows you the 3 different styles of pedaling, right? Pedal assist or throttle only. Again, it's fuel efficient. It's only electricity. You charge it up. It takes about for like 4 hours to charge it up, and it lasts up to 50 miles per trip, right? So 50 miles per trip means if you're starting from Santa Monica Beach, you can last all the way up to Huntington Beach, right? Now, if this is not true, it's still a great it's still great that they posted up right here. I can't wait to actually experience it and try it myself. Might be a little bit less, but who knows, right? That's 50 miles trip, and it looks great. And you can only charge it with a single cable, right? Charging. You don't have to take no Segway brake box. They have to take it in your backpack. Anything heavier, it's just a single cable with the battery right there. Now you can take off the battery, have it charging somewhere, and then still ride the bicycle, right, without the battery, because it's so lightweight you can ride it like a regular bike. Now if you buy a second battery, you can just exchange it and keep the battery right there on charging, which is great, right? You don't have to have the battery have the bike with the battery charging all in one. You can just separate it, remove the battery, and keep using the bike and making deliveries if that's your main goal, right? That's why I bought it. I'll be making my DoorDash deliveries, so check the link below again. I'm offering extra money right now for first time delivery drivers. That's how much it folds. It's great. If you're that high, there's some measurements right there. It folds easily. It folds great. You put it in your trunk. You put it inside your car. Waterproof, and you can even roll it with you. You don't have to carry it. Even though it's so lightweight, 40 pounds. It's just like one of those Segway scooters on the street. So lightweight, but it comes with wheels, and you can just roll it, right? Roll it with you. This is the factory production. You see a little factory tools right there. This is the whole picture of it's assembled, and there's a full bike assembled, right? Again, we have some bikes right here in stock in LA already. You could actually buy one and have it shipped to you like probably within a week. It comes with an LCD display, which is waterproof. The whole bike is waterproof, which is great. So some more details and specs about it. It shows you the three different bikes. And again, I got the 500X. I thought, hey, for $1,000, that's not a lot. Most bikes are what, 1,500, 2,000 and up. This one seems to give me long range, lightweight, long lasting, speed with the battery, an interchangeable battery, which is great. It only weighs 10 pounds. So, I mean, I could leave the battery charging at one place, replace it with another battery, and keep going with 50 miles more, right? So it says right there in the specs, but it might be a little bit less. But hey, my Segway scooter goes up to what, 27 miles per hour, 27 miles in total, and I do get less. So this might be and I can't exchange the batteries, right? I have to leave the whole scooter's charging right there, so I can make deliveries. But with this bike, I could replace it with a new battery, or ride it as a regular bike and be normal and just keep making deliveries and go on with my day, right? So again, these are the specs. It's a Shimano 7-speed. So it comes with a torque sensor, throttle to this throttle. So it feels more like a motorcycle. It could hold up to 220 pounds, and again, it's only about 40 pounds of total weight. The price is gonna go up to like 2,400. You've seen right there. So right now is the time you must buy it. Again, we have it in stock. So just go ahead and use my referral link down below. I'll get credit for it. You can subscribe to my channel to check out all my videos. And again, these are a couple of add-ons you could buy for the bag. I got all of them. They had a special deal. You might be able to get a special deal right now and get all these for free too. This is the battery. You can exchange it, replace it. It comes with a fast charger, so you can charge it even faster with a rear rack, and you can place the delivery foods, right? So it comes with these three different items comes for free. I got them all, so I can't wait to install them. I can't wait to try it on. I can't wait to ride and make some deliveries with this because I know I'll make money with this, right? You want to make delivery drivers for Uber Eats, DoorDash, Grubhub, or whatever it is, or just riding, this is the perfect bike you can commute with. Long lasting, lightweight. You might not be able to go mountain bike riding, but I mean, you could for sure go inner city, right? Again, it folds up, 40 pounds, it's great. For only $1,000, you should buy it. You should get my referral link and check and subscribe because I'm gonna show you everything about this bike since I actually bought this bike for only $1,000, right? It's a great bike, only for you, folds, put it in your trunk, enjoy it, all right? Subscribe, thanks a lot. I'm gonna show you more videos about this bike.